very good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn about using Excel as database. We will see how in Microsoft Excel we can learn the concept of database and we will implement. So first of all, let's have a look. You can see we have a table in front of us. The roll number, name, English, Hindi, Maths, total, these fields are there, and we will understand all the concept of database in Microsoft Excel with the help of this table. But before that, let's have a look on the definition. What is the definition of database? A database is a collection of information related to a particular subject. It can be address, it can be phone number, it can be keeping student record. So all these things, if you want to combine together, it can be done with the help of database. What it does further, it helps us to organize, retrieve, sort and add data as per the requirement. If you want to organize the data, you want to retrieve, you want to get it sorted, you want to make changes, so all these operations can be done with the help of database. Furthermore, you can see the example. Suppose we have this telephone directory, we can have different kind of coins, we can have the catalog of library books. So all these things can be recorded in the form of data in Microsoft Excel. And whenever we want to represent data, the symbol which is used for database is this one. This is for files, and actually all the files, in whether in Excel or any application, collectively they can be worked together as database. And technically, in the term of Excel, if we say what database is, it consists of fields and records. Fields are these column headings and rows are these records. Have a look in Excel also for the same. You can see that we have these fields: roll number, name, English, Hindi, Maths and total. And these all are the records, right? So whenever we enter the data in the form of rows and columns, actually the headings are representing fields and the collective rows are representing the records. Furthermore, understand with the help of definition. What is field? A field is basically a column within a database that contains only one type of data. It can be roll number, name, address, as we saw in the table. And then field name, it is a column label. Means when we talk about the name of column, then we call field names, and collectively they all are fields. When I say roll number, name, address, they all are fields. But when I talk about them individually, roll number, it is the field name of a particular field. Name, English, Hindi, these all are the field names. The same is in Excel. We can see that roll number, name, English, Hindi, Maths, they all are fields. But individually this English is a field name for this particular column. And the next thing which we need to understand is about records. Records, what is record? A row in a database is called a record. It contains all the information. It contains all the information related to a specific entity. For example, name, class, roll number, name, marks, all these things for a particular student. In Excel table, for example, roll number 7 for Animesh, it is a record for the particular student entity. In the same manner, we have record for Hemant, roll number 8, name, English, Hindi, Maths and total marks. So this way we can see that how database is organized in Microsoft Excel tables with the help of row headings, with the help of fields, with the help of entering the values for a particular record, and we can organize data in the form of rows and columns, and simply with the help of Excel features we can further work upon using Excel as database by doing operations. So in upcoming videos we will understand further about these things. Thank you so much.